Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission won't shift properly. Maybe you feel a delay, harsh shifting, or worse, the car is stuck in one gear. You scan with an OBD-II tool and boom, code P0931 appears. This code is linked to the hydraulic pressure sensor range performance, which is crucial for smooth gear shifting. In this video, I'll explain where the sensors are located, what causes this issue, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. DTC P0931 means the hydraulic pressure sensor, HPS, is giving an out-of-range or incorrect signal to the transmission control module, TCM. This sensor is responsible for monitoring hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, ensuring proper gear shifts. If the pressure sensor fails or sends incorrect data, the transmission might not shift correctly, leading to poor performance. If your car has this code, you may experience hard or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping, car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, check engine light or transmission warning light, harsh acceleration due to incorrect pressure readings. To diagnose P0931, check these key components: hydraulic pressure sensor, HPS. Location, usually found on the transmission body, near the valve body, or transmission fluid lines. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends data to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, mounted near the engine bay, inside the fuse box, or under the dashboard. Function, uses sensor data to regulate transmission shifts. Transmission valve body. Location, inside the transmission pan, under the transmission fluid filter. Function, houses solenoids that regulate hydraulic pressure, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the HPS sensor, TCM, and valve body. Function, transfers electrical signals and power to components. Tip: if your transmission shifts hard or slips, start by checking the HPS sensor and its wiring before assuming a major issue. Here are the most common reasons for this code. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, HPS. A bad sensor may send incorrect pressure readings. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or low fluid can affect pressure readings. Clogged transmission filter or valve body. Blockages can cause erratic shifts. Corroded or broken wiring. Loose or damaged wires may prevent proper communication with the TCM. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. A faulty TCM may misinterpret pressure sensor data. Follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level and condition. If fluid is low, burnt, or dirty, replace it with the correct type. Step 2. Inspect the hydraulic pressure sensor, HPS. Use a multimeter to check if it's sending the correct voltage. If faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires around the sensor and TCM. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. If other codes appear, the TCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Inspect the transmission valve body. If shifting is rough, the valve body may need cleaning or replacement. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD2 scanner and check if the issue is resolved. If your transmission is shifting hard or slipping, don't ignore P0931. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor, transmission fluid, and wiring to get your car back to smooth operation. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0728, engine speed input circuit intermittent, P0729, gear ratio incorrect. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.